Hey there, struggling with internet access issues on your TP-Link router? Don't worry, you're not alone. Figuring out how to fix TP-Link router no internet access can be a common headache for many, but the good news is that there are simple steps to resolve it. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of troubleshooting and fixing your TP-Link router issues so you can get back online in no time. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Check that the Ethernet cable from your modem is firmly plugged into the WAN port on the TP-Link router. Verify the power cable is properly connected and the router is turned on. Sometimes a loose cable can be the simplest yet most overlooked reason for internet issues. Step 2. Restart your devices. Power cycling can often resolve network connection problems. To do this, unplug your modem and router. Wait about 30 seconds and plug them back in, starting with the modem. Allow your modem to fully restart before turning on the TP-Link router. Also, restart your computer or device trying to access the network to ensure there are no device-specific connection issues. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause various connectivity issues. To update your TP-Link router's firmware, log into the router's admin interface. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Next, log in with your credentials, often found on the router's label. Navigate to the firmware update section and follow the instructions to download and install updates. Step 4. Check IP address and DHCP settings. Misconfigured IP settings may prevent your devices from accessing the internet. Ensure your router's DHCP is enabled, which automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on the network. Under your router's settings, look for the DHCP server option and make sure it's turned on. Also, check your computer or device's network settings to ensure it's set to obtain an IP address automatically. Step 5. Reset TCP IP settings. If you're still experiencing connectivity issues, resetting the TCP IP settings on your computer might help. For Windows users, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type the following commands. After running these commands, restart your computer. For Mac users, navigate to System Preferences, Network, select your active network, and click Renew DHCP Lease. Step 6. Factory reset the router. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your TP-Link router. This will erase all custom settings and return the router to its default configuration. To do this, press and hold the reset button on the router, usually found on the back, for about 10 seconds, using a paperclip or a pin. After the reset, you'll need to set up your network again from scratch. Fixing TP-Link router no internet access can often be a straightforward process with the right steps in mind. By checking connections, restarting devices, updating firmware, adjusting settings, and as a last resort, resetting your router, you can tackle most common issues effectively. If a problem persists, contact your internet service provider or TP-Link support for further assistance. Stay connected.